Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome cake. It's a gelatin cake. It's delicious and very easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's prepare the first layer. We'll need 600 milliliters of orange juice and 70 grams of sugar and 60 grams of corn flour. Now let's boil it. Don't forget to keep mixing until it's boiling, and when it's boiling, let's keep mixing for 1 minute more, and you can pour it in your form of cake and let it sit in room temperature. Now let's prepare the second level of the cake. Let's add 1 liter of milk, 150 grams of sugar and 30 grams of corn flour. Let's mix it all together. You can also add 10 grams of vanilla or extract vanilla. Now let's boil it and keep mixing. When it's boiling, let's prepare it for 1 minute more, and you can take it out of the fire. And now let it sit at room temperature. Let's prepare the third layer. Let's add 300 grams of red berries, and let's mince them and strain them over a pan. Now let's add 300 milliliters of water, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of flour, and 50 grams of corn flour. Now let's mix it until it's boiling and boil it for 1 minute more. And now you can place the last layer. Now you can let it sit in your fridge for about 6 hours or your whole night. When it's ready, probably the next morning, you can take it out of the form and plate it, but be careful when you can take it out because it can break. I recommend you jiggle it a bit. And this is the final result. This is the recipe. It's delicious, easy to make, very tasty, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.